Yeah, hello traders. It's your one and only Forex coach, Team Legend, and I'm super excited having you all here today on this. Okay, I've been getting quite a lot of requests from traders requesting that I should make a video on how to actually use TradingView on the mobile phone. Alright, so today in this video I'll be teaching you guys exactly how to use TradingView on your mobile phone to analyze your markets. Alright, so before we proceed, I would love to tell you a little on the few apps that I've got here that I use for my Forex journey. Alright, so as you can see, currently I have like 5 apps here, and one is TradingView, the other Pip Calculator, the other Forex Alert, MT5, FX Calendar. So for the Forex calendar is actually for you to be able to read the news, to know when a news is coming up, and for you to be able to prepare for it. You understand, for those who trade the currency pairs, so this is fundamental. All right, so with this app you'll be able to know the news coming up. All right, so by Monday, which is the 20th, we should be expecting let me see what news we have on the 20th. Okay, actually there's no news on the 20th. As we can see, 20th is actually empty here, but from the 21st we have news on AUD, and we also have news on USD. So with this app you can actually read the news. Okay, then your MT5, you already know your MT5. Then for the Forex Alert, I actually use this app to keep myself at alert after doing all my analysis. All right, then I once I've spotted out all the areas where I want to take entries from, then I use the Forex Alert app to set up my alerts. So once price gets to the zone I'm looking out for, the Forex Alert app is going to beep and ring me in, so I will be able to come into my charts. All right, so like for instance, we have Euro USD. I'm actually expecting price to get to 1.0600, and then I'll be looking for a selling opportunity on Euro USD. So as you can see, I've set it all up, and all I'm expecting is this app to call me in. So currently where price is right now, from where I'm expecting price to get to for me to take an entry, is about 105 pips away. That's why you can see plus 105. All right, so that's just me waiting for my setup using this app. Okay, so you can actually go download the app. All right, for Pip Calculator,
make sure to like and subscribe. This encourages us to make more helpful videos in the future.
I rarely use it. I just have the app there though, because already I know what I'm risking whenever I'm risking any amount of pips, due to the normal pip calculations that we all should know according to lot sizes. Okay, you should know that we have 4 different types of lot sizes. We have the standard lot, we have the mini lot, we have the micro, and even the nano. Okay, so for the standard lot, we all know that a pip in a standard lot size is worth $10, right? And for the mini lot size, a pip is worth how much? That's $1. And for the micro is worth 10 cents. So I actually don't stress myself using this app most of the time, but just for lesson's sake, so let's say I want to trade Euro USD, and maybe I want to risk 20 pips. The lot size, let's say I want to trade with 0.1 lot size. That's a mini lot size. So calculation. So if I am to calculate it right now, this is what it simply comes out to be. It simply means that if I'm risking 20 pips on one standard lot size, it means I'm risking $200. If I'm risking 20 pips on a mini lot size, it means I'm risking $20. And if I'm risking 20 pips on a micro lot size, it simply means that I'm risking 2 pips. All right, so this is just how you do the calculation using the pip calculator. Now we dive into the main deal for the day, which is how to use your TradingView. But before we proceed, traders, if this is your first time on my channel, could you do me a little favor? Smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, so that you'll be the very first person to get notified the moment Team Legend releases a new content. Because right here in this channel, all I do is to post strategies that help you win in the financial market. So let's get straight into the business. The first thing you want to do if you want to be able to use this TradingView is actually to go download the app. You want to download the TradingView app on your from your Play Store or App Store, depending on the phone you're using. All right, maybe you're using Android or the iOS. Okay, so once you download the app, you want to open the app and make sure that you log in. All right, it's important that you log in, okay, because if you don't log in, it's just gonna look like you're analyzing on an ordinary chart. All right, but if you log in, okay, it looks like you are analyzing on your chart account. Okay, now in the sense that if whatever analysis you do on your phone right here, if you have your PC, if you log into your PC, the analysis you do on your phone is going to reflect also on your PC. Why? Because you logged in on your phone and you did the analysis while logged in. All right, so it's important to log in. So as you can see, currently I've actually done my analysis, and all these are setups that I'm waiting for by the time market opens. Today is actually Sunday. All right, happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there. Okay, so that's why you actually saw what I had on my Forex alert. I've already analyzed my market and waiting for entries and setups. Okay, so I wouldn't actually toy with what I've done right now. I just have to open another chart. So let me toy you around this TradingView. Once you get into the app, probably the first thing you want to do is to look for your currencies. Which currency do you want to trade, right? So for you to be able to do that, you want to click on here where you have the currencies. All right, so let's say you want to trade Euro USD. Now let me use from Pepstone. Okay, so right now I've got a clean chart here right now. Here you have H1. This is your time frame. If you click on it, you're going to see your different time frames. So whichever time frame you want to apply to your chart, all you want to do is to click on it. All right, so this is daily time frame currently. All right, if you put on your hand on here where you have the time frame, just press your hand on it. You can see it's going to come out on your screen. So if you just slide your hand up, sliding down or up, I'll do it again, and then all right, so with like this, you can actually swap through the time frame you want to trade with. Okay, so this is 30-minute time frame right now. So that's how to do that. Now the next thing you want to look for probably is your trading tools. So this pencil icon you have here, you click on it, and then you have all your trading tools around here. All right, so you now know what you want to look out for. All right, under here we have under my favorites. All right, these are the things I have under my favorites. Then under the trend lines, these are the tools under the trend line. All right, then under the Gann and Fibonacci, you have all this. All right, okay, under the geometric shapes, you have the brush, the highlighter, the rectangle. All right, you have all this. Then under annotations, you have tests, you have all this. Okay, you just have all this. Under patterns, you have all this, the head and shoulder, this, that, blah blah, all of them are here. All right, so prediction and measurement, you have the long position, and you can see them all here. So whichever one you desire. So for this example, I'll just click on trend line here, so I can actually draw. Now once you've clicked on trend line, you will notice you have this blue long line here. So what you want to do is don't touch your screen yet, just because if you touch your screen wherever, I want you to notice something. Okay, if you look up here right now, you'll notice this dot on the blue line. So this dot simply means anywhere you touch your screen and remove your hand, that's where the trend line you want to draw, or whatever you want to draw on your screen, will start from. For instance, I'll touch my screen now. Now you see we have a bigger dot. Now if I slide down, okay, and if I leave it and probably touch somewhere else, you see that's what we have. All right, so what you want to do is when you bring out the tool you want to draw, let's say you want to draw, let's say, a rectangle. All right, so you want to probably just slide your screen down. You see the dots, put it where you want to draw from. Let's say you want to draw from here, then touch your screen like this and drag to the right, and then leave it. All right, so that's how you actually use that. So whatever you want to delete, you just, let's say you want to delete this, and you click on delete. Okay. Under your watch list, probably when you have set up all the markets you want to always look out for, you have them in watch lists.
Make sure to like and subscribe. This encourages us to make more helpful videos in the future.
So if I click on watch list here, I have all the markets that I'm actually looking out for, which are all this. Okay, that's under watch list. Why? This is your chart, this is ideas, this is news, this is menu. Now under the menu is where you probably want to log in from or log out from. Okay, now let me see if there's any other thing. All right, so probably now the next question might be, Tim, can I actually slant my screen horizontal to have at least a bigger chart? Yes, you can actually do that. So let's slant horizontal.
Make sure to like and subscribe. This encourages us to make more helpful videos in the future.
So right now we've just slanted horizontal, and we have a chart like this, and that's quite cool. Now that we've just gone horizontal, you'll be able to see quite some other features here. Now we have your indicators after the pencil icon, where you have your tools. All right, here you have your indicators, the F icon. So this is where you probably want to select any indicator you're looking out for. All right, the next you have alarm, you have the plus, the plus icon. This is where you want to probably look out for any charts, market you want to look out for, USD, card. Okay, and that's that for that. So other ones you just want to check out for all of them. Then probably when you've done your analysis and you want to share your chart, instead of taking a screenshot, you want to click on this icon here, and then it's going to give you the ability to copy the link. So once you copy the link, you can share the link to your friends to look out for what you've analyzed. Okay, and then here you have your different kinds of candles and all of them, and that's that for that. Now if you want to have probably a much fuller screen, you want to click on these three dots here and click on full screen. Now you'll be able to have a much fuller screen. All right, you'll be able to have a much bigger screen for you to be able to run your analysis probably as you desire. Okay, then that's that for TradingView on your mobile phone. So whatever question you still have concerning TradingView, just leave on the comment section. Don't forget to like this video, join me on Telegram, follow me on Twitter, and let's all keep winning.